Welcome to The Modern Lady, where you'll learn how to elevate your life with elegance. I'm Deborah. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe so you can get an update when I've got a new video to share. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you ladies so much for your continued love and support for my channel. I appreciate and adore you all. In today's video, I want to chat with you about the idea that pop culture says you can respond whenever you want to an invitation. And sometimes you may not even respond at all. Why bother? Elegant women know to always respond to an invitation they've received, and to do so within 24 hours of receiving it. The rule applies, ladies, whether or not you receive an invitation via text, via email, via postal mail. It doesn't really matter the form of the communication that you've received the invitation. It's always important to send your RSVP within 24 hours of receiving it. An RSVP is a really important courtesy because the event host or hostess needs to know how to appropriately plan for the accommodations at the particular event. So your attendance is really important for them to know if you plan on making it and if you are bringing a +1. That way they can plan accordingly and not have to wait until the last minute as they are finalizing all of those details for the event. When you send an RSVP, it truly is a way for you to be truly respectful of the event host and hostess. Yes, we are all so very busy. We're busy with lunches, we're busy with appointments, we're busy trying to live our best lives. But it takes about 5 minutes for you to open up your calendar, look at your commitments, and determine if you have availability to attend the event in which you've been invited to. So despite what popular culture says about not even bothering to submit an RSVP for an event, classy and elegant women know to always RSVP, and to do so in a very timely manner. If you're looking for more elegant inspiration, check out one of my recent videos. I'm talking about the most classy time to respond to an invitation. I've got the link to that video in the description below, and you can also click on the pop-up screen that will show at the end of this video to watch that video next. Ladies, I'd love to know from you, what is the next event you plan on attending? Is it a baby shower? Is it a housewarming? Is it a wedding shower or even a wedding event? Share with me in a comment below. We'll keep the conversation going. All the time is a busy time, so it's definitely event season year-round, and I'm excited to know some of the events that you're attending on your social calendar. Thanks for tuning in to this video. I look forward to seeing you ladies in the next one. Bye.